Hi guys, Deb with Deb Lawrence Art here. I've been mixing up pigments all morning, so I thought I would stop and make a quick video to show you how I do it. This is a piece I made yesterday using this recipe to mix pigments. This is a bloom swipe technique. I didn't film it, I don't know why, but as you can see, I stuck my finger in it this morning right there. Hopefully resin will hide that, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, this is just a practice piece anyway, so it's just a porcelain tile. So let's get started. I'll show you how to mix up the paint or the pigments for that recipe. I'm going to mix up this little piggy pigment today. The color is Frost. I also use the same recipe to mix up the color art primary elements pigments. Okay, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons of the Bare Interior Exterior High Glossy Enamel Deep Base 8300. Okay, going to use 2 parts of that to 1 part of the Minwax water-based polyacrylic. This is the crystal clear finish. I think they have other finishes, high gloss maybe, I'm not sure. But you're going to use 1 part of this. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the Bare and 1 tablespoon of the polyacrylic. So let's get going here. 2 tablespoons of Bare. This is an untinted paint, if I didn't say that. There's no pigments in this paint whatsoever. And that's what you want to get, an untinted paint. I'm just going to pour that into this little cup back here, and I know you can't see it, I don't think. Oh, maybe you can. Okay. So we're going to get this out of the way. Then the pigments. I normally wear a respirator when I'm messing with pigments because they do tend to fly around in the air. So just be very careful. I see see a hair there. See, there you go. Pigments are now flying around everywhere. So you're going to get about a spoonful like that. And put it right down there in your untinted paint. Cover it up. So that's exactly why you should be wearing a respirator. You probably can't see it, but there are pigments flying around in the air here. So I'm just going to start slowly mixing this up. And you're going to need to stir quite a bit to make sure that all that powder, all the pigments get wet and disperse into that paint. You see the clumps that are in there right now, I'm sure. So you want to get rid of all of those. So you're going to need to stir quite a bit. Scrape your sides. and also scrape the bottom. Get all the pigments up off the bottom, get the paint up off the bottom. There you go, just keep stirring. Sometimes you might have little tiny lumps in it that don't seem to want to break down. So if I see one, I'll just like smash it with the spoon. So that looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of the Minwax. And stir like crazy again. Get that polyacrylic all mixed in there. Let's keep stirring. And I'll put the recipe down in the comments below, or not in the comments, but in the description. And please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I hope you'll stop by again. Look at, isn't that a beautiful, gorgeous color? This is Frost. This little piggy brand color is Frost. You can see that. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.